What's up, YouTube? It's Alex Combow here. We all heard it before. Hustle, hustle, hustle. Hustle gets you what you want and it gets you where you need to go. But the question always becomes, how do you find the way to push yourself harder? And that's what I want to talk to you guys about today. The first thing that you need to know is when you're managing your energy, you need to understand that stress is a huge de-energizer that you have in your life. And if you looked at my other videos about how to get more energy, if you are stressed out by certain things in your life, then your energy is just going to be already lower than the average person's energy. So try and manage your stress and try to de-stress in certain ways. I always recommend meditating and making sure that you are getting the right amount of daily vitamins in your life. One good thing to help you de-stress is omega fatty acids. So make sure that you have plenty of those in your life and you'll find yourself just naturally and automatically more de-stressed than you were before. So one thing that will stress you out in your life is daily battles and daily struggles that you have going on. And the thing that will shield you from these is passion. Passion shields you from these daily struggles that you have because it makes you know that your ultimate vision is so much stronger, it's so much clearer, it's so much better than all of these things that are being thrown at you. So if you want to increase your passion, you need to enhance your why. Your why is the reason for why you're doing what you're doing, why you want to be successful, and why you want to create this business, this vision. If you want to have a why, it needs to be both selfish and selfless. So in order to make your why selfish, you need to think about the things that you want and the things that you are going to acquire through this vision. And these things are, the materialistic things like a house, a car, things like that, and maybe even making your family happier. Yes, this is a selfish thing for you personally because you want to have more money so that you can make your family more happy. So these are kind of the selfish things that you can get into that are materialistic. Now, the unmaterialistic selfish things include things like being less stressed out because you are independent, having a company that you work for full-time that is your own company. These types of things are non-materialistic but still selfish. Now, on the flip side, there is the selfless, materialistic, and non-materialistic. If you are thinking selfless, materialistic, that means that you're thinking about things like donating items to charity. When your business becomes X amount of successful, you are going to donate X amount of dollars to charity. So if you are making $13 million a year, you're going to give 10% of that $13 million that you're making, and you're going to donate that to a charity. So this type of thing, it makes you feel better because it makes you realize that you're actually doing something good for the world around you. And humans are naturally motivated by things that make them feel good, obviously, but donating is something that will make you feel good, or helping out other human beings, because we're naturally selfless beings. So as far as a non-materialistic selfless goal that you can have, this could be something like perhaps you're donating this money to people so that they can become more enlightened, so that they can have their own businesses that they can start and have their own dreams and visions that they're trying to create. These are the types of things that you can think of that are non-materialistic. And if you're donating your time and your energy and your money in various areas of these, then you will start to find that you are feeling more and more fulfilled with your current working status and your current job life. Because not only are you working towards your own goals, but you're actually seeing a manifestation of your own goals actually helping other people and not just helping you. Which obviously you can see if you have a staff on hand. But if you don't have a staff on hand, or if you want to see it in more ways, then you can do this. Because the stronger that you have your own presence, the stronger your passions and desires will actually become, because you're seeing your desires come true and seeing that you're helping other people's desires come true. And all of these things will start to create the road ahead, and the road ahead is long and fulfilling. You're going to constantly be coming across things that will be more fulfilling than other things. The hardest challenges in life are going to be the most fulfilling challenges. So owning a business is one of the hardest challenges that you can ever face as a person. So if you are owning a $1 million business, then you are going to be very fulfilled as it starts to become successful. But not only in the business becoming successful, but realizing that you are actually selfishly and selflessly obtaining your goals, you will start to realize that things are becoming more and more fulfilling in life. So that's all I got for you guys today. If you enjoyed this video, please like, please leave a comment below, please hit that subscribe button, share this with your friends. I will talk to you guys on Monday. Bye.